What's up, YouTube? This iPhone 4G. I'm going to show you how to replace the battery. Simple. You have two screws in the bottom. You will have to take them off. In fact, this one is the Phillips, so the Phillips it is. Take it out. Take it out. Now, you slide it up. That comes off. Boom. That's your battery. Now, you have this. You have your battery, your camera, etc., etc. Now, take off your battery. Make sure phone is powered off. Has to be off. Now, tools you need will be a Phillips and a pry bar. Okay. You have one screw here. Take that one out. Take it out. Right? Now, with your other tool, you take it out right here. Now that's disconnected. You have a special piece right here. Take that. Put it to the side. Now that's your battery. Now when it's new, you have a little tab right here. But this phone been worked on and the tab ain't there. Well, you can use this. Stick it right through the little side. And voila, that's your battery. That's why I'm making these little videos, fast videos, so you won't spend so much money on replacing things. Now, same way, put it back in the hole. You have your little piece. Got this little piece right here. You will put it in just like this, just like that. Line it up with the little hole. Smack this down. It's in. And put your screw back in. And that's your battery place. Now basically, just put your cover back in and put your two screws in. That's how you do that. Now, this is the iPhone 4S. Okay, you have it right here. Now this one, in order to do this one, you have one, two. Take it out. Same way, you with the little pry bar, you pop it out and just put the new battery in and do the same exact thing. Put the little pin back in, line it up with the hole, put the things in, and you're all set. I made this one fast because it's simple. And that's about it. That's how you get it done. Don't spend your money on nonsense. People out there to rip people off when it's simple. Well, hope you like my video. If you can, rate it. If you can't, it's alright. Well, yeah, have a good night, man.